children, here we have the second rule. What is the second rule? We add the values of both the symbols. If a symbol is written to the right of the greater symbol, add right of the greater symbol. If a symbol is written to the right of the greater symbol, this is the greater symbol, its right side is this. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? വലിയ സിമ്പൽ ഏതാണോ അതിൻ്റെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ അതിനേക്കാൾ ചെറിയ സിമ്പൽ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആ രണ്ട് സിമ്പലും കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്? Let us take the example. V is the greater number, which means 5. I is the smaller symbol, which means 1. If we add both the symbols or its values together, we get 6. Here also X and V. Which symbol is greater? X is greater. On its right side, V. V is smaller than X. So, we add the values of these symbols. X means 10, V means 5. Then 10 plus 5, 15. Here C and X. Which is greater? C is greater. On its left side, which symbol? X. Which is smaller than C. This means addition of values. 100 plus C means 100, X means 10. Then 100 plus 10, 110. Here V. On its left, two values are given. Two I's. I. V means 5. I means 1. Again I means 1. 5 plus 1 plus 1. That is 6, 7. This means 7. This is the second rule. We add the values of both symbols if a symbol is written to the right of the greater symbol. Understood this rule? Okay. Third rule. If a symbol is written to the left of the greater symbol, we subtract the value from the right greater symbol. എന്താന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു ഗ്രേറ്റർ സിമ്പലിൻ്റെ ലെഫ്റ്റിലാണ് ഏതെങ്കിലും വാല്യൂ എഴുതിയേക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ആ ഗ്രേറ്റർ നമ്പറിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂവിൽ നിന്ന് ആ ലെഫ്റ്റിൽ എഴുതിയേക്കുന്ന നമ്പറിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ മൈനസ് ചെയ്യണം, സബ്ട്രാക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. Understood? Here we have an example. IV. Greater symbol is V. I is written on its left side. If smaller symbol is on the left side, it means subtract. Here smaller symbol is on the left side. So subtract it from greater symbol. Greater symbol V means 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Here IX. Greater symbol is X. Smaller symbol is on its left side. If smaller symbol is on the left side, it means subtract the values. Here X means 10. 10 minus I means 1. 10 minus 1, 9. IX equals 9. Next, XL. XL means, here L is the greater value and smaller symbol X is on its left side. If smaller symbol is on the left side of the greater symbol, that means subtraction. But L means 50 and x means 10. So 50 minus 10, 40. Next, xc. C is the greater symbol and x is on the smaller symbol, x is on its left side. That means subtraction. C means 100. 100 minus x means 10. 100 minus 10 equals 90. Understood this? Okay. And in class 5 we are going to study how to write Roman numerals up to 200. And use these 3 rules and we can write all the Roman numerals up to 200. Study this 3 rules. And all of you write these rules in your notebook and study this well. Okay. Thank you.